Hi everyone, AK here. In this video we're going to talk about how to make the most amount of money from your credit card. Actually, I've tried different ways to make more money from my credit cards through like air miles or different packages, or using it for some offers, or redeem some money from based on my purchases. The most amount of money that I was able to make on consistent basis from my credit card is through the cashback cards. So basically you apply for a cashback card, a credit card, like you can just call your bank and ask them which cashback card that they have, which is basically they pay you a percentage of like maybe 1 to 2% of your total purchases. And it depends on how much you utilize it. So let's say if you buy $10,000, they pay you like $200 per month, or like $100 to $200 per month. And also make sure that when you apply for the card, try to apply for Free for Life card. So in case you're not using it, you will not pay the bank on an annual fee because you're utilizing it, because you have the card. Unless if you really, there are some cards with good offers, but they don't charge you annual fee if you use the card with a certain amount every year or every month. So you have to just measure how much you're utilizing the card and what is the offers in it. Always go with cashback and go with the most cashback card, because that's how consistently you can make more money automatically without calling the bank to redeem. Like usually I redeem my cashback points through the app, through the bank app. And immediately it transfers the money into my credit card like an income, extra income. All right, so hope this was helpful, and see you soon with another video.